Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing part 2 of the Overnight Curl series, and I'm so excited because today we are doing brown paper bag curls. So before I get started, make sure you like this video because you know you wanna, and subscribe if you wanna see lots or whatever. So I got these brown paper bags, lunch bags. This is like $2 at the dollar store. Family Dollar, that is. So I already tried it out, and at first I was gonna use a whole bag, but I was like, nah, I can finesse a little bit. So what I decided to do was just cut them in half, like so. That was 2 bags, and this is gonna be our curler. So yeah, all you need for this is brown paper bag, water. What I'm intending on doing is tying the bag so I don't have to use a rubber band, but I feel like I'm not gonna be able to tie the bag once it gets wet. Let me go grab some rubber bands, I'll be back. So yeah, I got some rubber bands, but I don't know where all my rubber bands are. I had a whole container. We might have to stop at the store to get some. But I got these just in case I need something to secure the curls. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so I learned my lesson the first time. We are doing small sections. So I did wash and retwist my hair yesterday. Y'all know this one right here have been giving me trouble. It looks so good. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. But just to retrain it, I had to retwist it, and since I did that one, it kind of looked crazy. That's the only one I retwisted, so I just did my whole head. Other than that, you don't need to have a fresh retwist to do this. That's completely optional. Y'all know I am queen of no retwist style. So I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 locks. It's a small section, right? Medium. And I'm just going to dampen it in. Of course, we are always working on damp hair, okay? And I really want these curls to stick because it's another style that I want to do with these curls. So crossing my fingers. I really want these to be some really good curls. All right, so I don't know if I want to, should I do the bottom, that part of the bag at the bottom, or the top? Let's do the top. Let's start with the top. So I'm just gonna take it and wrap my hair around. Wrap it on up. I have always wanted to do paper bag curls. I don't know why this is my first time doing this. I don't know why, but I'm so excited to see how this turns out. And I also plan on doing some dryer time. Y'all know I don't like sitting under the dryer, but I'm gonna do my hood bonnet attachment. So you'll see that a little bit later. And we all the way to the top. See, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to like tie it. It ain't gonna work. It's not. I kind of wish I would have hit the bottom. Take 2. So I'm gonna do the bottom at the bottom. Do that again. I'll go as far to the bottom as I can. Just wrap up. I might be able to walk out in public with these. Should I just do overnight, or should I do a couple days? I might be able to work with these. We're gonna see. It's all in my head. And it seemed like it's gonna be a lot easier to sleep on too. Don't quote me. We're gonna see. It seems like it should be. Alright, so this is it all rolled up. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is just pinch it right here. Kind of twist it. Girl. And then rubber band it. It'll stay hopefully. And that's our first one. These might be cute, y'all. Alright, so this is the next section. I think this one has 8. That's okay. Alright. Wet her up. And I'm also adding a little bit more water this time because I really want these to stay. These need to stick because the style I want to do, I really want to do that style. So yeah, I'm gonna start at the bottom again. Actually, we can kind of unfold it like that. It works for me. And I know I can't get all my hair in the frame. And I'm trying to roll it as taut as possible. Like it's supposed to imitate a flexi rod. They kind of look like lock petals mixed with a lock knot. I like it. And let me talk about the stock curls because I was getting a comment about lint. Girl, I did not even think about lint. It was not a concern at all. Didn't even think about it. Didn't consider it at all. I didn't experience like a whole lot of lint. I did use dark socks mostly. I had one white sock. Oh, I'm hot.
There was 2 cool kids.
Hey y'all, so this is how far I've got so far. This is like halfway. I just got so much hair. It's not hard. I just got so much daggone hair. So this is what I got. I just wanted to do a check-in. And so y'all can see. Do y'all think I can wear these out? I think I'm gonna wear these out just to keep them in longer. You know, to enhance the curl experience. I don't know yet. It also doesn't feel like it's gonna be too hard to sleep on. So that is a super plus with this style. So yeah, I'm about to cut my music on so I can vibe out. And I'll come and talk to y'all again in a minute. Yeah, I'm definitely finna wear these out. You can barely tell, or I'm tripping. I ain't gonna know until I look back and see the back. But from the front, girl, who's gonna know? So y'all, they all in. And I'm very tempted to wear these out. I think I am. Who's gonna check me? And how would they know? Like, you might have a question, but it's brown paper bags. I did some paperbag curls. I love this look. I love this. I love this look. It's so crazy that my goal was to have booty length locks just for me to want it short all the time. But I love a short style on me because I'm always giving face. It's like, so I'm gonna let y'all know how it goes. I'm very confident that I'll be able to sleep comfortably, but you know, I'll let y'all know. So it's getting chaotic. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. It's getting real chaotic. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my domestic duties, and I'll check in with y'all tomorrow. Night night. And we're back. It is the next day. This is exactly 24 hours. I wore these all day, and the sleep was fine. Like, compared to the stock curls, 10 out of 10. Would definitely do this again. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start taking them out because I'm ready. Which one was my first? I always try to start with my first one. So this one is my first. Let's see what it's talking about. Ooh, I'm recording. I am. I'm nervous, y'all. It's different. It's different. Let's keep going. I don't know how I feel yet. Easy. I don't know how I feel yet. And do I keep these? It's different, y'all. I'm gonna comb them out a little bit. Maybe. Let's just keep going. What is a Texas toast alternative? Bagel? Alright, y'all, this is what we have. I ain't pluck anything. These are like baby doll curls for real. What I look like now? A little lamb? Oh, a sheep. I graduated.
Looks like that does this. They hammer it.
Like a judge?
Yeah.
I don't want to pluck them. I'm not going to pluck them. I think I'm going to leave them unplucked until tomorrow. Maybe. Give me a minute to think. Okay. We can do one. Let's do this one. We're going to do this one gently. Very gently. I don't want to do it, y'all. I'm going to ruin it. I'm going to ruin it. Not bad. It's not bad. It's cute. I don't know if I want to pluck them all. Definitely giving baby doll, but I'm gonna just go ahead and pull them apart. You don't have to do much. I love, this is what I was going for the socks. And I can see how this could be, like, even if I did, if I did even smaller sections. Totally doing this again. I forgot to. Orange, yeah. You gotta open it though. I'm happy. It looks so good. I don't remember the last time I had curls on a fresh retwist. It don't make no difference to me. I prefer no retwist because it gives more volume, but this is cute. These curls are so nice. Do y'all see these? Well, that's it. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. But this is the result of part 2 of our overnight curls with the brown paper bag. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. The curls look good. It was comfortable to sleep on. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you want to see more stuff about locks or whatever. And I'll see you next time. Bye.